Imagine being offered a way to double your money in just a few weeks. No waiting, no patience, just fast profits. For many people, that's irresistible. But if you had shared that idea with Charlie Munger, he probably wouldn't have been impressed. In fact, he believed that the obsession with fast money was one of the biggest reasons people stayed poor, made terrible decisions, and never experienced the true power of investing. Charlie Munger often said that getting rich slowly was not only safer, but surprisingly faster in the long run. At first, that sounds like a contradiction. How can moving slowly get you ahead more quickly? The answer lies in understanding human psychology. Most people don't lose money because they lack intelligence. They lose money because they can't resist excitement. They chase the hottest stock, the newest cryptocurrency, or the latest business trend because everyone else seems to be getting rich. Greed convinces them that they're about to miss the opportunity of a lifetime. But more often than not, they're simply arriving late to someone else's party. Munger saw this pattern repeat itself for decades. Market bubbles came and went. Fortunes appeared overnight and disappeared just as quickly. Yet the people who quietly bought excellent businesses, ignored the noise, and stayed invested were the ones who built lasting wealth. Think about planting a fruit tree. You don't dig it up every week to check whether it's growing. You water it, protect it, and give it time. Investing works much the same way. Every time you chase quick profits, it's like uprooting that tree before it has the chance to bear fruit. One of Munger's greatest strengths was delayed gratification. While others searched for shortcuts, he searched for quality. Instead of asking, "How much money can I make this month?" he asked, "What will still be valuable 20 years from now?" That simple shift in thinking changed everything. Compounding doesn't look impressive in the beginning. The early years can feel painfully slow, but then something remarkable happens. Your investments begin earning returns on previous returns. Wealth starts growing almost on its own, not because you worked harder, but because you gave time the chance to do its job. This is why Munger admired businesses with durable competitive advantages. He wasn't interested in quick wins. He wanted companies that could keep creating value year after year. That's the difference between gambling on headlines and investing in reality. The same lesson applies beyond the stock market. Whether you're building a career, learning a skill, starting a business, or improving your health, the temptation to find shortcuts is always there. Social media celebrates overnight success, but it rarely shows the decades of preparation behind it. Real achievement usually grows quietly before the world notices. Charlie Munger understood something that many people never do. Every decision carries an opportunity cost. Every hour spent chasing easy money is an hour not spent building lasting knowledge, meaningful relationships, or valuable assets. In his view, the greatest investment wasn't simply buying stocks. It was becoming the kind of person who could consistently make wise decisions. That mindset is why Munger and Warren Buffett built Berkshire Hathaway into one of the most successful companies in history. They weren't searching for excitement. They were searching for certainty, quality, and patience. While others reacted emotionally to every market swing, they focused on businesses, not headlines. The next time you're tempted by an investment promising extraordinary returns with little effort, remember Charlie Munger's quiet wisdom. Wealth built slowly may not make the news, but it often builds the life people truly want. Patience isn't the opposite of progress. In investing, patience is progress. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe and join us for more timeless investing wisdom from Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, and other legendary investors who prove that the smartest path to wealth is rarely the fastest.